Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope all of you are doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the second episode of Ellen's Juneteenth series. Last year I shared with y'all an old school tea cake recipe and I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. This year we're going to give it a twist. How does lemon tea cake sound? Oh yes, sugar. So today's recipe, I'm going to share with all of y'all some old school southern lemon tea cakes. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious and it's going to be full of lemon flavor. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this and great to serve for your Juneteenth celebration. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also check out my previous video, semi-homemade strawberry cake. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. So grab your butter, your flour, and your lemons, sugar, because we're about to bake some lemon tea cake magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep up our lemon. We need the zest of 1 lemon. And if you don't have a microplane, you can use a box grater and use the small grated texture. And make sure you get the yellow and not the white, because the white would be too bitter. Alright, I got all my lemon zest. Excellent. Now we need the juice. We're going to roll it, and rolling it will make it a juicier lemon. And we're going to cut it in half. And we're going to squeeze it into our measuring cup. And make sure you remove the seeds. We need 1/4 cup. Alright, I've got 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Now we're going to set the lemon juice and our lemon zest aside. Time to make the tea cakes. Let's get started with the dry ingredients first. We need 3 cups of self-rising flour. So I'm going to use my 1 cup measurement. We're going to fluff it up. And we're going to level it off. And voila, perfect cup. And we're going to pour it into my medium bowl and sifter. That's 1 cup. Again, we're going to fluff up the flour. Leveled it off. Another perfect cup, and that's 2. Now we need 1 more. And 3 cups. And into our self-rising flour, we're going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. And we're going to sift these together, or you can whisk them if you like. Alrighty, now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my stand mixer with the paddle attachment, or you can use an electric hand mixer, I have 1 cup, which is 2 sticks or 16 tablespoons of unsalted butter at room temperature. And into our butter, we're going to add in 1 3/4 cup of white sugar. And we're going to cream these together on the medium speed until they're fluffy. And make sure you scrape the bowl occasionally. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in 2 extra large eggs at room temperature. Going to add them in 1 at a time, beating after each egg. And mix until well blended. Alrighty, next we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. 1 1/2 teaspoons of pure lemon extract, our lemon zest, and our fresh lemon juice, 1/4 cup, and mix everything together until it's well combined. Alright my friends, last but not least, we're going to add in the dry ingredients slowly. and keep on mixing until it's well blended. and be careful not to overmix. Alright my friends, our dough is complete. See how nice and thick that is? That looks great. Ain't nothing like the smell of lemon. Now it is time to knead the dough. Going to dust some flour onto my work surface. Going to plop my dough down. And you're going to need a lot of flour because this dough is super sticky. So now we're going to knead it a few times. Alright, as soon as I get through kneading up my dough, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I am through kneading up my dough. So now we're going to cover it with some plastic wrap. So now we're going to place the dough in the refrigerator and we're going to let it chill for 2 hours. Alright my friends, our dough is nice and chilled. So now I'm going to dust some more flour onto my work surface. Going to place my dough on it. And knead it again a few times. And using my rolling pin, we're going to roll it to about 1/4 of an inch thick. And using my glass, or you can use cookie cutters or a biscuit cutter, we're just going to cut them into round circles, like so. Just like that. Alright, as soon as I get through with the rest of my tea cakes, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I've got all my tea cakes together and I place them on the 9 by 13 inch baking pan that are lined with parchment paper. And this recipe makes about 24 tea cakes. We are ready to put them in the oven. Oven's preheated to 325 degrees. We're going to let them bake for 20 minutes. And I'll bring you back. My friends, I smell tea cakes. Oh, it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. I just taken them out of the oven. And you see how lightly golden brown they are around the edges? That's what you're looking for. You want them to still be a little soft on top. Those look gorgeous. So now I'm going to let them cool in the pan for about 12 minutes. And then I'll place them onto my cake stand. And then we'll give it a taste. Alright my friends, there you have it. Old-fashioned Southern lemon tea cakes. Doesn't that look good? And I garnish it with some lemon wedges. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Look at that tea cake. Beautiful golden brown. And you can see the specks of lemon zest. Have a bite. Look at that texture. Buttery, soft and chewy, perfectly cooked. And I can taste the lemon. Oh, I'm in lemon heaven. These tea cakes are fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Lemon tea cakes, licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat. Much love and happy Juneteenth.